Y'all don't know that this right here is a whole production.
You can say this is abuse to who? Come get him.
This right here is a whole production. He making a big screen thing right here. I'm gonna show y'all. I just seen him get up out the at the court. Without any handcuffs. He walked out before.
And
that dude
it's
did.
not fair.
He didn't have no.
Right. And
I'm gonna show y'all something. It's a whole production. It's almost like it's real.
White or citizens, so assuming do you first have to discuss what the proposed? Okay.
All right, I'll give you.
No handcuffs? Come on.
A few more minutes to talk, but
And-
we need to move forward if we're not gonna do it, so.
And at the same time, just my client's identification, and you just say on the record, if he does things that we, when it came as the phone, so you'll know.
And Ms. Newell, which is the first stage witness, takes the stand in this one.
All right, so the next.
Yes. Okay. All right.
That's a scam. He's got, I just seen his hand. He got his hands in his pocket.
it's not fair.